Against my better judgment, I returned to the train show for day 2, and I was picking through some of the few leftovers that were still available, and I found this little platform made by Plasticville. The seller had a price of $3 on it. I don't really need it. I think I even have 2 of these at home already. But I offered $2 and she accepted. So now I have platform number 3 for $2. Who can pass that up? It's just a simple little snap together model kit, but I think I can use it as staging when I photograph some of my trains after they've been repainted. This could be a nice little prop in the background or just behind the finished train. I'm not quite sure, but for $2, you can't go wrong. Well, since we're talking about $2, here's another $2 that left my wallet that day on Sunday, that last day of the train show. It's made by Lionel. It's from the MPC era. So these were just probably some of the cheapest trains you could buy in the 1970s. This is called a bobber caboose, which is strange because this is Bob's workshop. No relation. But I don't know what I can do with this. For $2, I took it home. It's complete, nothing's broken. I guess it's actually not complete. It's missing that little smokestack that pokes out of the roof. But still, for $2, I'll buy it. And do something with it. Maybe. I don't know. If I keep buying these cheap plastic model kits, I may end up converting my layout to these instead of the ceramic Christmassy type buildings that are currently on my layout. These are nice. This is made by Lionel. It's a freight station, I think. So I think I could make that work somewhere in my layout. It's still a little big. Space is at a premium. But this was only $5. It was one of the last things I bought. It was towards the end of the train show. The guy just said he didn't want to pack it up and take it home. So it was a good score for me. $5 isn't too bad. So if you think about it, this second day of the train show, I spent another $9. $2 for the caboose, $2 for that little platform, and then $5 for this freight station, plus what I spent on Saturday, which was $70. That's not too bad. I'm not quite sure what to do with all this stuff, but it's hard to pass up bargains. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.